You can get Twitch Prime for free if you make up an account. You can make it for free, you need to link a payment method, but then you can cancel the payment. Ooh. What the fuck?
Interesting, dude.
Oh, great. He has 3 kills already.
Wait, should I gun? Splatter? We kind of have a tank if we can use it. Oh, they're quite good belches. Now I think about it. Oh no. Oh. Oh. That. Oh mate, that's a good one.
I think maybe I can block the door.
Go to a calm place! I'm working on getting you out!
Oh mate.
Much appreciated.
Thank you.
Come on out, let's move!